Hi there. So today what I'm going to show you is you must have seen on Cisco switch, I mean to say on a core switch or on Cisco router, you must have seen something like this. The gateway of last resort is not set. Like what actually does it mean? It actually means that you haven't configured any route to send the traffic if your router doesn't know the destination. Consider like we have a static route configured for 2020 network. We have static route configured for 30.30.30 network. 20.20.20 network is this one. 30.30.30 network is this one. And 10.10.10 network is my LAN network, and this is my LAN router. So what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna get into global config mode and I'm gonna define one static route. I'm not gonna define the static route, I'm gonna define a default route. And any destination IP address, any destination IP address, any destination subnet mask, my LAN router should forward it to the Palo Alto's LAN interface, which is this one. So I'll just hit enter and I'll save the config. And I'll see now what my IP show IP route output is. Now you can see the gateway of last resort is set to 10.10.10.1, which is my LAN interface IP of Palo Alto. Now, whenever an interviewer asks you, like, when do you see a gateway of last resort is not set on a Cisco device, what does it mean? So it just means that you haven't configured default route on your device. When you configure default route, any destination traffic which your router or switch doesn't know, it will forward it to the next hop IP address. Thanks.